Sparky Sparks here. Everybody loves pumpkin spice latte at this time of the season, and I'm no different. So I found this trick in how to make a pumpkin spice latte and get 25 grams of protein, thanks to Jenna Fail. So all props to her. And this is how I do it. So I use the first Phorm pumpkin spice latte. I put a scoop in my little mixing cup. Basically 25 grams of protein, which is so important that we get enough protein. I add filtered water, not very much, just a little bit, just enough to dissolve the powder. It's a protein powder. This tastes just like spice latte, pumpkin spice latte. It is incredible. So I stir it until all the lumps go away. If you have one of those whiskers, that would work really well. But I don't have it. I think it's out of batteries. Anyway, so I mix it up like this and I put it in a cup of fresh brewed espresso. So it's just halfway full. And then I'm just gonna pour this in here and stir it, give it a little stir. And you can always add extra, you can add cream or any of that if you want. I don't think it needs it for me. But this is my pumpkin spice latte, courtesy and thanks, Jenna Fail. First Phorm, and it's so tasty. Have a great day.